and finishing things up. This 125 has a new custom trailer hitch made for it. Kind of copied it off the 200 example that I had. Got a neat little flippy floppy end on it. It mounts up to where the rear brake light attaches. Came out really nice. 125 ended up being a really cool project. Seat cover, all kinds of other stuff. Check out the other video that's got the information on it. TRX 450 ER headache? Yeah. Did not understand that a starter sprag can cause you so many problems in so little amount of time. It doesn't matter if it's new or old. If the starter sprag locks itself to the crank, you're gonna have problems. The head was giving me problems for a long time. We finally got that all buttoned up. Yep, the pressure on a leak down tester actually rolled the motor over. That's what happens. As soon as the cam opens up, you lose compression. But as you can see, we've got bound up gears. The starter itself was locked up solid. We got on it with a pair of pliers and broke it free so we can see what else is not spinning. Well, the starter sprag itself was locked to the crank. It didn't spin either way. It just stayed wherever the crank was going. This thing's been a nightmare. Glad to be finishing it up. We got a valve adjustment on an LTZ 400. That was kind of fun. Actually, nope, this is a KFX 400. Sorry, not LTZ. This is KFX. Same thing. If it was a DBX, it's the same thing. Yay for joint ventures. But yep, quick valve adjustment on this thing. Kick it back out the door. It had one of those manual timing adjusters on it. Do not like those. I prefer the OEM ones so much. Had a cool orange anodized tip though. And we're going to do a little bit of goon riding on the 125. Why? Because we can. I mean, it's a little bike. You got to have a little bit of fun with it. Test it out. Make sure everything's all good. High gear works. Low gear works. Transmission shifts fine. Thing starts up really nice. I'm not a wheelie person, but yep, she'll pull a wheelie if you want her to. These things are so much fun. Little bit of goon riding for you guys. I appreciate everybody clicking on the video. If you like this kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button. Comments are always appreciated. We've got memberships available that help things out. It also gives you a discount on parts if you need custom work done. Check out the memberships, comments, likes. All right, I'm gonna throw these last two in just for a fun little extra. We had a 300EX come in. It needed new clutch plates put on, so we ended up getting a Vesra kit. That was a really cool kit. The springs came in. They were a lot stiffer than OEM. It was actually a really good kit overall. We had plates soaking, put it all back together. She fires up, idles really nicely. And for the creme de la creme, we got brand spanking new whole shots. 18 inches for the KX 125. We got the wheels on it. She's sitting on her own 3 feet. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.